ડ્રાફ્ટમેન મિકેનિકલના 2013ના પેપર સોલ્યુશન આન્સર કે આજે આપણે જોઈશું. પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન, a helical groove form on cylindrical surface either external or internal is termed as, પહેલું ઓપ્શન આવશે સ્ક્રૂ હેડ. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2, the first screw thread standardized is, ઓપ્શન સી metric. ત્યારબાદ the distance between the corresponding point on consecutive thread measured parallel to the axis is called, ઓપ્શન સી આવશે pitch. In double start screw thread lead is, option B 2p. પાંચમો સવાલ, the thread angle of BSW is, option C 55 degree. The type of threads used for transmitting motion or power is, option C Acme thread. સવાલ નંબર 7, the convection used for external thread is, drawing is, option B thin outside line circle broken. સવાલ નંબર 8, metric threads of 20 mm nominal dia and pitch 1.5 mm is designated in drawing as, option A M20 into 1.5. સવાલ 9, the threaded angle of pipe thread is, option D 55 degree. સવાલ નંબર 10, metric bolts of dia 20 mm and 80 mm long with hex head is designated as 90, option A hex bolt M20 into 80. સવાલ નંબર 11, for drawing purpose bolt head thickness is taken as where the diameter of the shank, option આવશે 0.7 D, option C. Question number 12, T-head bolt is used in machine tool tools. The neck is the shape of, option A આવશે round. સવાલ નંબર 13, the thickness of the nut is equal to the diameter of the bolt and corner to corner is, option D આવશે capital D. સવાલ નંબર 14, for drawing purpose the width cross flats for square nut is, option D W is equal to 1.5 D plus 3. સવાલ નંબર 15, the type of hex nut covered a cylindrical that cap used to protect from corrosion and leakage is, option C cap nut. સવાલ નંબર 16, the locking device most commonly used to prevent nuts from working loose on machine is, option C spring washer. મિત્રો, CBT એક્ઝામમાં ઓનલાઈન પરીક્ષામાં આ પેપર તમને ખૂબ જ મદદરૂપ થશે, જેની તૈયારી અત્યારથી જ કરવી ખૂબ જ જરૂરી છે. સવાલ નંબર 16, સવાલ નંબર 17, the locking device used for slotting nut and castle nut is, option A pin. સવાલ નંબર 18, the hexagonal nut with slot of width 0.25 D cut on the top end of the knot through the opposite face is called slotted nut, option B આવશે. સવાલ નંબર 19, screw ends have holes through which wire is passed after the nut are screwed is, option B split pin. Question number 20, a plate with grooves to suit the nut is placed on the nut and screwed to the body. The locking is by, option D આવશે groove nut. સવાલ નંબર 21, the type of screw have different heads and operated by screwdrivers or spanners is, option B આવશે cap screws. સવાલ નંબર 22, the type of screw are fully cylindrical on one end, they provide with the X socket screw slot on the other end with different point is, option A grub screws. સવાલ નંબર 23, hexagonal socket set screws are designated by the shape of their ends and specification is as per IS 6094 એનું ડેઝિગ્નેશન છે. સવાલ નંબર 24, hexagonal socket head screw are operated using hexagonal bend screw is also called as Allen key, option A આવશે. સવાલ નંબર 25, machines are fixed to the ground with the help of devices is called, ફાઉન્ડેશન બોલ્ટ, મશીન ફાઉન્ડેશન બોલ્ટની મદદથી ફિક્સ કરવામાં આવે છે ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં. ઓપ્શન એ. સવાલ નંબર 26. ફાઉન્ડેશન બોલ્ટ આર 6 ટાઈપ્સ ડેઝિગ્નેશન A B C D E and F એઝ પર IS પ્રમાણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ કયા છે? તો IS 5624 1970. સવાલ નંબર 27. Pits are formed and foundation bolt are held in position with bars placed in bullseye. The thread end protrude above the ground level. The type of bolt is used I foundation bolt. Option B. સવાલ નંબર 28. The type of the foundation bolt in the shape of a rectangular pyramid with round shank on the taper end is. Option A. Rack foundation bolt. સવાલ નંબર 29. The metallic piece of wedge inserted between shaft and hub parallel to the axis of the shaft. Option આવશે key. સવાલ નંબર 30. The key prevents relative motion between a shaft and hub of making parts. The key sent in the groove is the shaft called key seat and the hub called keyway. Option A આવશે. સવાલ નંબર 31. Key sheet on the shaft is normally produced by milling. Key sheets milling દ્વારા બનાવવામાં આવે છે. ઓપ્શન ડી. 32. Keyway is hub in produced by slotting. ઓપ્શન ડી આવશે. સવાલ નંબર 33. The key are rectangular in the cross section and have a taper of 1/100 on the length. ઓપ્શન સી આવશે. 34. The type of key is in the shape of the segment circular disc. It gets aligned in the key seat of shaft is. ઓપ્શન એ આવશે woodruff key. સવાલ નંબર 35. In the type of shaft and hub got greater strength is. ઓપ્શન નંબર સી splined shaft and splined hub. સવાલ નંબર 36. A fastening device used to provide shoulder for limiting to movements in part assembly is retaining rings and also called as circlips. Option A. 37. The type of circlips are installed on shaft pin studs similar parts is called external circlips. 37. The round key is used for locking collars and shaft also between shaft and hubs for transmission of motion is called wedges. Option C. 39. The type of wedge is rectangular shape with taper on the side of width used to connect shaft with reciprocating motion is called. Option A. Taper pin. સવાલ નંબર 40. The diameter of the rivet is based on the thickness of the plate to be joined. General formula to find the D for plate thickness T in millimeter. તો એનું ફોર્મ્યુલા રહેશે D is equal to 6V into T. Question number 41. The type riveted joints when plates are on above the other is called lap joints. Spelling mistake છે મિત્રો. ઓપ્શન એ આવશે. સવાલ નંબર 42. The most commonly tools used for smoothing the wood surface and finishing is required thickness is. C આવશે planes. 43. The tool used for making up small holes on the wood by hand for screwing or nailing is called gimlet and bevel. Option B આવશે. 44. A scale used for allowance while making pattern for casting in like steel rule is called contraction scale અથવા તો contraction rule. Option A. 45. Question number. In the pattern making, the making tools use arc, circle in many way or not possible use compass. Option આવશે A. Dremel. Question number 46. The hand tools used for mixing and tempering molding sieves is shovel. Option આવશે B. 47. The type of sand used for making case, it is a mixture of silica sand and with the mineral only lime seed oil and resin is called core sand. Option B. The color of case hardened steel is. Option D આવશે blue color. 49. The color of the ball bearing steel is. Option B આવશે white. Last question. The machine tool on which turning is carried આઉટ ઇટ નોન એઝ લેથ. નોટની જગ્યાએ આઉટ આવશે. ઓપ્શન એ લેથ. આવા જ બીજા ક્વેશ્ચન તમારે જોઈતા હોય તો મિત્રો લાઇક, શેર અને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો અને બેલ આઇકન દબાવજો, જેથી નવા MCQ અથવા તો પેપર સોલ્યુશન તેમજ એના કીઝ ડ્રાફ્ટમેન મિકેનિકલને લગતા તમને મળશે. થેન્ક યુ ટ્રેનીઝ.